Mapping gateway options in VOS3000. Go to Operation Management, then click on Gateway Operation, then click on Mapping Gateway, then click Filter. Right here, Account ID. Then click Filter. Right here, Account Name. Then click Filter. Right here, Gateway ID. Then click Filter. Now, uncheck all Account ID, Account Name and Gateway ID. Then right here, IP. Then click Filter. Now, change Softswitch to All. Then click Filter.
Now uncheck Softswitch.
Now select Static. Then click Filter. Now unselect Static. Now select Dynamic. Then click Filter. Now select No Locks. Then click Filter. Now unselect Dynamic. Then click Filter. Now unselect No Lock. Then select Bar All Calls. Then click Filter. Note, this client cannot able to send calls. Then select Net and click Filter. Then select Local and click Filter. Then unselect Local and click Filter. Then change authorization type to Local and click Apply. Then select Local and click Filter. Now we have change authorization type International to Local. Then change authorization type to International and click Apply and click Filter. Then unselect Local and click Filter.